Tampa Gun Show. Gonna see if we can record inside. Tampa Gun Show. If you've never been to one, we're gonna see how much we can do. Furniture that hides your weapons, lovely leather purses, hats, purses, front bags, holsters, belts. That's some nice art. Gotta be careful while filming. Two guys. How you doing?
So far, so good, my friend. Another gun show.
All types of cases.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, I was told not to film video, but I'm gonna try and do it anyways. Look what I found. Mint condition SKS. $200. That's not bad. SKS is a rifle version of an AK-47. That's not bad. Look at this table. Now this is nice. That is a nice table. Very nice. They got all types of boxes. You can put anything in there you want. America. We got a lot of nights here at the gun show in Tampa. Look at the prices. 20. Now, to let you know, that is not a real knife from World War II, Nazi Germany. Not for 40 bucks. The real ones go for hundreds of thousands. Not saying it's bad, but anyone who's thinking they're going to get a collector item, that's not a collector item. It's not bad at all. Wow. Looks like it's a 223. That's not a bad price. That's really not bad. Hold on. If it's a SIG, that means, hold on, that's a pellet gun. Okay, I didn't know SIG make pellet guns, everybody. Here we go, do the other side of those paintings. Not bad at all. These are very nice. So it's even got shirts. Even got shirts. You're not into it, just to show you that at a gun show, you got all types of stuff. Need a 50 caliber? Right here. It is a Ruger. And that's a great price. Very nice. Very nice. Good morning. You have the blunderbuss? More nights. Very nice. Mechanic. Not a bad price. Mechanics Turkish. I keep having people complain about me recording in here. I don't know if anyone else does that. But I'm trying to show everybody the Tampa Gun Show. Pretty dead, as you can see. There's a lot of room. Usually it's just packed and packed. There's barely any time to move. 1911s, 45 Rock Island. Don't pick them up, that will go off. You've never been to a show before. They have all types of concealed holsters and belts. There's no pricing, and I'm not gonna call him over. Short shotgun. You legally can buy these in Florida. Now remember, we're in Florida. So everything you see here, you can have legally, if you're legally to have a firearm. They do have old cowboy guns. Look at this one, $357, $600. And some of these people will lower the price if you ask. That's a Derringer. That thing's big. That thing's big. It's a 410, 45 long Colt. So everyone that likes Donald Trump, they got Donald Trump ducks here. $6 each, a 2 for $10. Never seen that before. A Donald Trump duck. Hey, you can put those in your Jeeps, everybody. If you come to the Tampa Gun Show, remember, not everything is cheap. A lot of stuff is overpriced. Way overpriced. Ooh, big squeezy grenades. Eagle help. Okay, I'll take one. I'll squeeze it. Now, here in Tampa, the owner of the show has a female family member doing the same thing. That's why I keep being told to shut my phone off. Okay, guys, so that's why you're not seeing a lot of the show and everything. So, showing you what I can. Hold on. Okay, we're out of the Tampa Gun Show. I kept being told, can't film. The owner has someone in there filming the gun show, but I got parts of it for you guys. Hope you enjoy it.